Are you looking for an easy and effective way to estimate the fix-up costs on flip properties or rental properties? Well, check this video out. Boom! Hey, it is Brent Daniels and I am in a kitchen today, which is very fitting because this video is all about estimating the rehab costs for your wholesale deals. Now listen to me. Listen very closely. Stop being a contractor. Stop being an inspector. Stop even thinking that wholesaling is about real estate. It is about talking to people. It is the people business. Okay, so I'm going to give you tools in this video so that you can make broad assumptions on what it will cost somebody that you're going to sell this property to fix up these properties. Okay, are these perfect? No. Are these rules of thumb? Yes. Do I use this every single day in my business? 1000%. Here is the rule of thumb. The first thing you need to do, okay, step one is you need to find out the square footage of the properties that you're going after. Okay, it's very easy to Google it and to see it on a ton of different websites, Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, whatever it is. If you want to get the exact square footage, go look at the your county's tax assessor or treasurer, whatever it is in your area, and find out what they have, what they're taxing it on, because they tax on the size of the house. So find what that square footage is if you want the exact or somewhere close. But usually, honestly, guys, most of the time Zillow's right. So just go with Zillow so that you're not messing around too much. But if you're a perfectionist, you analyticals out there, I get it. Go get it, you engineers. Go crazy with the research, but not too crazy. But remember, we are not contractors. So stop. You don't need to break it all down and figure it all out. I did this when I first started. I remember I had to figure out how much, roofs cost and how much flooring costs and how much it costs to install. And it was all just creative distraction. It was creative avoidance from talking to people. We want to get all that out of the way, and I'm going to give you a tool here so that you can use it to make assumptions, but the main focus is you need to be talking to people. Got it? Okay, good. I think I hammered that home. Okay, first, get the square footage. Now, if it's just a cosmetic, like a light little remodel, assume it's $5 a square foot. Okay, so if you're 1,000 square feet, it's going to cost $5,000. Okay, multiply that by $5 by whatever's in whatever your square footage is, and that is for a very light remodel. Maybe this is a rental property. Maybe the property's already in really good shape. It's not very typical we run across that. Or maybe it's just something you don't have to put a ton of money into. That's really, just make sure that you're not over upgrading a property in an area that you won't get the money out of it. Okay, got it. Number two is that the second level. So that's level one. The second level is something that needs kind of a cosmetic. It needs an update. It needs the facelift, right? It needs to be able to be remodeled so that it's more modern and new, and maybe it needs newer appliances and fixtures and all the other little decorative touches, we'll call it. So that is, I want you to multiply the square footage by $15 to $20 a square foot. Okay, 15 to 20. First one 5, second one 15 to 20. Third is a property that is rough. Like this has some mechanical issues with it, okay? You're gonna have to do some electrical, you're gonna have to do some plumbing, you're gonna have to do some of the things that make a house livable, okay? It's not just the cosmetic making it impressive for your friends and family. No, there's livable stuff. And that I want you to multiply the square footage by $25 to $30 a square foot, okay? That's level 3. That's typically where you're gonna be at, but the best deals, you know it, I know it, are the worst ones, the ones that need everything. And those ones you got to multiply. That's the 4th level, baby. That's the level I love because those are the biggest deals because homeowners just give up on it. I apologize. My phone's going off. Anyway, $40 to $50 a square foot. Okay, $40 to $50 a square foot is where you want to estimate if it needs everything. Now, as a tip, so recap real quick. $5, 15 to 20, 25 to 30, 40 to 50, okay? Depending on the level of the condition of the property. Now, in this is great. This is a book by my buddy David Dodge. It just came out. I think you can get it on Amazon. You should definitely check it out if you're starting out. Really, really excellent book. But he talks about, and it's something that we implement here, and I had to bring up this book just because he talks about the rule of 5, and it's true. Most things cost $5,000 to fix. New roof, $5,000. New air conditioner, $5,000. New heater, $5,000. New pool resurfacing, $5,000. Whatever it is, a lot of times the big ticket items like a new bathroom or whatever, it's $5,000. So it's a good way that if you use that price per square footage that I just went through, and then you add $5,000 on top of that, you're gonna get a really, really, really close number to what somebody can fix up that house for. When you use that, then remember, we're looking at what's the total value, what will this sell for when it's fixed up, right? Minus what does the investor want to make. In my market, it's about 10%. It depends on the pricing points in your market. Sometimes it's 30% because it's a dollar amount. Remember, if you're selling a $50,000 house or a $100,000 house, it's a much different percentage-wise than if you're selling a $700,000 house. Okay? Got it? Makes sense? Nod your head. Yes. Okay, good. Anyway, so figure out the percentage that the investor wants to make and the closing costs that are involved. Typically, it's about 6%. Minus the repair cost, right? That's what we just estimated, and that's what you can sell that wholesale property at. So then you need to back out there how much you want to make. In my business, it's $20,000 minimum, but you can make whatever you want in your market that seems right, and you can do a lot of deals. So that is the lesson of the day. It is, don't be a contractor, don't be an inspector, be a person, be a people person, be a talk to people person. This is not about real estate. This is about solving people's problems. This is about finding discounted properties, and this is about you making an impact in your community. So if you're looking, little baby plug, looking to take it to the next level, reach out to us at wholesalinginc.com/TTP. That's where I personally mentor you. It's literally me and nobody else. So, but it's an unbelievable program. And if you go to the website and check out all the testimonials on there, I think you will be impressed if you're on the fence about it. So check it out. I love you guys. Until next time, talk to people, baby. See ya.